you imagine a future where physical money is a thing of the past? Picture a world where transactions are seamless, instantaneous, and boundaries are virtually non-existent. This is the promise of a cashless society, where cryptocurrency could play a pivotal role. As a form of digital currency, crypto has the potential to revolutionize our financial systems, changing the way we trade, spend, and save. As we delve into the world of cryptocurrency, let's ponder on its potential and what the future might hold. Cryptocurrencies are not just a trend, but a financial revolution in progress. The digital currency scene today is marked by the rise of Bitcoin and Ethereum, two powerhouses that have carved out significant roles in the world of finance. Bitcoin, often referred to as digital gold, has become a store of value, changing the way we think about money. Ethereum, on the other hand, has brought to the table smart contracts, a unique technology that automates transactions and agreements without the need for a middleman. Yet, it's not just about Bitcoin and Ethereum anymore. The crypto world is witnessing a surge of altcoins, or alternative coins, each with their unique propositions and use cases. Coins like Cardano, Polkadot, and Chainlink are gaining traction, offering promising technologies and solutions from decentralized finance to supply chain management. Another key trend is the increasing adoption of blockchain technology. Businesses and governments alike are exploring its potential for a wide range of applications, from supply chain transparency to secure voting systems. This growing acceptance and integration of blockchain technology into mainstream operations is a testament to the staying power of cryptocurrencies. However, it's essential to note that the crypto market is notoriously volatile. Prices can skyrocket or plummet within a matter of hours, making it a high-risk, high-reward investment. This volatility is fueled by various factors, including regulatory news, technological advancements, and market sentiment. Therefore, while the potential for profit is significant, so too is the potential for loss. Despite this, the number of people investing in cryptocurrencies is on the rise. More and more individuals are willing to take on the risks in anticipation of the rewards. This increased participation is further driving the growth and evolution of the cryptocurrency market. In conclusion, the world of cryptocurrencies is dynamic and ever-changing. With the rise of new coins, the adoption of blockchain technology, and the growing acceptance of cryptocurrencies as a valid form of investment, we are witnessing a financial revolution. As these trends continue to evolve, so does the future of cryptocurrency. Predicting the future of cryptocurrency is no easy task, but several trends hint at what's to come. As we gaze into the crystal ball of blockchain, there are a few predictions we can make with confidence. First, we can expect to see an increase in regulation. As cryptocurrencies continue to gain traction, governments around the world are taking note. They're starting to implement regulations to prevent fraud, protect consumers, and even collect taxes. This might seem counterintuitive to the decentralized ethos of cryptocurrencies, but it's a necessary step towards wider adoption. Speaking of adoption, we're likely to see cryptocurrencies become more mainstream. Businesses are starting to accept digital currencies as a form of payment, and everyday folks are getting more comfortable with the concept. The idea of banking the unbanked with cryptocurrencies is not just a dream anymore, but a potential reality on the horizon. And then there's the technology. Blockchain, the underlying technology of cryptocurrencies, is evolving at a rapid pace. We're seeing new applications and innovations that go beyond financial transactions. Smart contracts, decentralized finance, and non-fungible tokens are just the tip of the iceberg. The potential for cryptocurrencies to disrupt traditional financial systems and transform global economies is immense. We're not just talking about a new way to pay for your morning coffee, but a shift in the way we think about and handle money. While the future of cryptocurrency is uncertain, one thing is clear: it's here to stay. In this whirlwind exploration of cryptocurrency, we've touched on current trends and future predictions. We've seen how digital currencies are reshaping the financial landscape, from facilitating seamless global transactions to offering unprecedented investment opportunities. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have shown us the power of decentralized finance and the potential for a future where financial control is more evenly distributed. Looking forward, we've discussed the potential of blockchain technology to revolutionize industries beyond finance, from healthcare to real estate, and the critical role of regulatory bodies in shaping this digital frontier. We've also explored the exciting possibility of central bank digital currencies and the rise of crypto as a new asset class. Cryptocurrency is undoubtedly a disruptive force, challenging traditional financial structures and opening up a world of possibilities. As we look to the future, let's remember, the world of cryptocurrency is as exciting as it is unpredictable. So keep an eye on this space as we continue to navigate the digital currency revolution.